All the way around like that. Put pressure on it. Put pressure on it. And hey, you're getting deeper, but you got to make it wider. All the way around. Hey, all the way around. Go like this, look. Like that, like you're mixing something. I hate training new children. Come on. Take it out.
Take it out.
No, now put it back in. Now, right there, wide. Oh my God. Here, give me that thing.
That's the pro. You got the pro right here.
Always gotta fix everything.
Alright, show me.
Don't hate me because I'm beautiful.
I guess.
If you don't do it right the next time, I'm getting my belt and I'm gonna flit you. I'm your daddy now.
What?
Don't be afraid of it, man. See, nice and wide. Enough for that. You know what? Get down here. Take some of this dirt out. All right, let's test this. See if it was wide enough. I think so. Woo. Perfect, man. They're too trained you, man. They're too trained you. You can't just let any bozo come out here and say, yeah, just stick it in the hole, man. That's looking great. Wait a minute. Was that supposed to be a yellow one? Or was that supposed to be...
That's Nettie. He's the one that.
I don't. Hey, you didn't put no. It's all the same color on the picture. So no,
Let me see. Show me the picture.
Oh,
Because, you know, I sent you the drawing. You should have gone by the drawing.
Well, I did. I went by the drawing.
That's not my style, okay? It's either the same one. I don't do that. Yellow, blue, yellow, blue. I don't do that.
Where's the colors? I don't see the colors.
They're...
the same colors.
It's another one of those green ones. So take that one out and put in a green one. Come on, man. What are you, colorblind?
Look at this. You never changed the colors in here, though. Look, they're all the same colors. They're all green, look, or yellow.
No, but that's over there. I'm talking about this drawing here. Go back.
Dude, it's all look the same color. I don't know how you can tell the difference.
Do as you're told.
Yes, sir.
Shh, you can't say those words on these videos, man.
Are you ready? Marica.
That's different. YouTube doesn't speak Spanish. There we go. Now you have 2 boxwoods and 3 Italian cypress. That's more my style. And put, anytime you see that, put always that dirt because it's fertilized. All right. Let's take a look. Let me look at this thing.
Bro, why the fuck are you... Bro, you see what Nettie did?
That will have green leaves, stop. Green leaves and pink up top. And then that rock I kept there because it's just too heavy to move, but it looks cute though. Then we have the Italian cypress, Italian cypress, Italian cypress, and then 2 boxwoods. And they look perfectly centered. Not bad. All right, let's go to the next ones. And we got to put in all these. All the way down to there. Right there. No, you guys are doing the digging now. Watch for my roses. Those are so sensitive. Please.